All right, so then how do we know who's faster? So we did this two different ways. So if we figure out the average speed, so let's say we have one that's going 50 miles per an hour and another that's going 60 miles per an hour, we can see that the 60 mile per an hour is faster because they're both miles per an hour. And it's comparable because it's in the form of per one. But sometimes we might have different numbers. So if you remember Usain Bolt, we saw that he was fastest because all the people ran the same distance, but he got there first, so his time was less. So that's actually like my second example here, that the red car is going 500 miles in 3 hours, and the blue car is going 500 miles in 4 hours. So they're traveling the same distance, just like Usain Bolt, but the red car's faster because he got there in less time. So when we're comparing the time, if they have the same distance, like Usain Bolt, they all ran 10 or 100 meters, whoever got there in the least amount of time is fastest. Now, the first one we did was these turtles, and the turtles traveled for the same amount of time. They both traveled for 10 seconds. We can see the blue one is faster because it got further. So we got to think opposite here. He's same amount of time, but it's going further, and that's like my first example. If the rabbit goes 20 meters in 2 minutes and the mouse goes 25 meters in 2 minutes, who's faster? Well, the mouse is faster because he went farther in the same amount of time. So they both traveled the same amount of time, but one just went farther. So there's two different ways to think about that.